So we have already discussed the values option, rows and columns. In fact, we will be looking at them in even more detail in the coming lectures. But at the moment, what I need to show you is this filters option, that how can you can make use of this filters option to filter the data based on any parameter. So for example, say we want to look at the sales country wise and year wise, but also we should be able to filter the data on the basis of gender. Well, that won't really make any good sense for now, but I just want to demonstrate you the feature of this pivot table, that how it actually works. So by selecting gender here into the filters, what we can now do is that we can go here on our screen and we can apply this filter. So for example, we only want to see the sales by females. We don't want to see the sales made to the male customers. We only want to see the female customers at the moment. We will select female and we will click on OK. And now you can see that your Excel has actually sorted the data, filtered data on the basis of gender column that was available in the data. And now what if I have to see the male customers? I will click on the male and you can see the values will change when I click OK. And here we go. So you can see that how much sales you have made to the females and how much you have made to the male customers. So if you have to filter your data for any specific criteria, for example, you want to filter the data down there by country or by brand or by year, you can drag that data here in the filters, and then this filter allows you to focus on one kind of data at a time. We won't be using filters a lot in our workings, the reason being that there is an option of slicer that is even better. So we will rather be using the slicer instead of filter. So you would rarely see me using filters in this course, and I would I don't really use filters in my real life as well. So and I really hope that you will be doing the same as well. But anyways, I just wanted to show you that how filters work.